Today I'm going to talk about recursion.
It's a powerful and wonderful tool for solving computational problems.
It's sort of like it's a magic trick in programming. It's like a magic spell. And once you know it, you can solve things you couldn't solve before. It's like a superpower, yeah? So I want to give you a superpower, a new superpower, yeah?
Why bother with recursion at all? Well, there are some things which are so fundamentally recursive that you just have to do them recursively.
And what is recursion? A recursive function is a function which calls itself. Recursion is one of the central ideas of computer science.
But nature repeats itself, apparently.
And this repetition is seemingly infinite with slight variation. But we know that repetition and iteration are not recursion. For some things to be recursively defined, they all immediately, simultaneously, instantly exist. So what is infinite recursion? Given that, by definition, infinity contains you and everything around you, infinite recursion must be everything that can and can't be seen. Your entire life, hopes, dreams, fears, and decisions. We are the result of infinite recursion. Recursion is.
Which is a kind of fascinating riff on mathematics and recursion and fractals and poetry and music and stuff.